Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about ISO Webmail vulnerability that is reflected cross-site scripting. And this vulnerability actually, you can see the date is 2020, so it is the latest vulnerability of this year. And you can also see the color parameter that is actually vulnerable, and you can inject any JavaScript code in to work out with the reflected cross-site scripting. And you can also see it actually telling the Google Doc that can help you to find such website which is actually vulnerable to ISOAF server. In case you don't know, ISOAF is a webmail service provider. It's a company who provide the webmail services to the company and organization. So it is a software you can say. So you have to install in your network, and anybody in your organization who is actually authorized to use that can log in into their account and can manage those account on the go. So I'm not going to talk about the webmail services in this video. So this is just about, I'm going to just show you the live demonstration how you can exploit this vulnerability in any website which is actually affecting this software. So I'm just gonna search on Google, and I've just searched on the Google the same exploit. I just copy that and search that Google Doc on the Google search engine, and it will show me all the website that is having the ISO of webmail. And I just open this website, avia.it, and you can see here, and it's a you can see it is saying. Let me actually reopen this. And yeah, so you can see there is a website and there's a sign in page where we can sign in. And it seems like this is not the English word. Okay, all right. So you can see the powered by iSwap server. In case you don't know about the Google Doc, it actually limits the search result for you and filter the result according to whatever you have provided the input. So in URL is webmail. That is something we are looking for. In text is something available on the web pages. So I'm looking for powered by iSwap. So whenever it finds something powered by iSwap in the web page itself, it will show me that exact same result. And you can see powered by iSwap server. So that is exactly we have searched over here. So it is just showing me all the website that is having that condition, you can say. So well, yeah, this is the color parameter that is vulnerable. And after that, we have to remove the language and everything, so we don't want that. And after that, after the question mark, as I know that color parameter is vulnerable, so what I need to do is to write color and equals to, and we can give any color input. So for example, I'm gonna just say my name Suresh. Why not? Let me actually search Suresh and see if we can see on this website. So as you can see, we cannot see Suresh in the website, and we have a condition in the cross-site scripting that it should reflect on the website itself. So whenever you are giving any input to the website, it should reflect back to the screen or back to the web pages itself. But maybe it is including in the source code, but it is not showing on the website. So let me just go ahead and look for the page view page source and see if we can see the Suresh word here. So as you can see in the body parameter, we can see Suresh here. So if we just inject any JavaScript code, and for example, I'm just gonna say script tag and alert, and after that I'm gonna just say Haktify Suresh Devrai. And I'm just gonna close that script tag. I'm just gonna copy that, so maybe it will not work, so I can copy that. Okay, I need to copy everything till the script and starting and ending tag. And I'm just gonna click OK and see what happened actually. See, it is saying the connection to the server, submit. Okay, try again. Okay, try again. Maybe it is not taking the input because we have messed with the input. So let's see what happened is here. What is happening here is, it is closing the double quotes and closing tag. So we have to close it as well. So I'm just gonna copy that, and I just paste it here before the script tag, so it will close the first bracket. See, so we have inside the colored parameter, we have just pasted the closing tag, so it is gonna close the body tag. And whatever we are actually giving the input, it is coming outside of the body tag. So let's go ahead and click on enter. Okay, it's still not working. So I just remove everything and copy that. Okay, I'm just gonna paste here again and such that. So maybe they have passed this vulnerability. Let's try on any other website. So let's try here. Why not? So let's try here, and the color parameter and equals to sign. Because I have not tested this before making this video. I'm just doing it on a live session. So let's search that. And as you can see, it is saying hacked by Suresh Sevradi. So it is showing the pop-up, and in case you don't know, this is a website, deface eyes. I don't know, but deface.com. Yeah, deface.com. So this is a website, this is a company who is actually using this mail service iSwap, and they have not passed this vulnerability. Very simple, and we can execute any cross-site scripting, and we have to give the color parameter. As you remember, we can see here only the color parameter is vulnerable, and this is the get method. So what is the get method? Something equals to something. ID equals to 1. This is the get method. We are getting the input from the user either by default or either by any other sources. We are taking that input and giving that input as a input to any variable. So this color variable is actually vulnerable. So I'm not going to talk about any programming logic, but you can understand that. So you can report that vulnerability to this website and get the bounty or acknowledgement on the same. So I just uploaded this video after a very long time, almost for 7 to 8 months. But yeah, I answer all your queries on Quora and LinkedIn as well. So it's just get connected on Quora and LinkedIn. If you're not still get connected, you can search my name on Quora and you can search my name on LinkedIn. Hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.